Hello everyone! The deep sea is the lowest layer of the ocean at a depth of 3,000 feet or more. Little to no light penetrates at this level. It was therefore thought historically that no life would ever be found down there. But on the contrary, sea life thrives in the deep sea. Almost miraculously, we are finding interesting, bizarre, never-before-seen life. 10 very strange, never-before-seen sea creatures. Frilled shark. The frilled shark is one of 2 extant species of shark in the family Chlamydoslicidae, with a wide but patchy distribution in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. This species is found over the outer continental shelf and upper continental slope, generally near the bottom, though there is evidence of substantial upward movements. Seldom observed, the frilled shark may capture prey by bending its body and lunging forward like a snake. The long, extremely flexible jaw enables it to swallow prey whole, while its many rows of small, needle-like teeth make it difficult for the prey to escape. Dragonfish. The deep-sea dragonfish is a member of the Stomidae family. This dragonfish lives in the deep parts of the Atlantic Ocean beyond where any plant life grows or light reaches. The deep-sea dragonfish is one of the many species of deep-sea fish that can produce its own light through a chemical process known as bioluminescence. The light is produced by a special organ known as a photophore. It is believed that the fish can use these flashing lights in the dark waters to attract prey and even to signal potential mates. Vampire squid. The vampire squid is a small cephalopod found throughout temperature and tropical oceans in extreme deep sea conditions. The first specimens were collected on the Valdivia expedition, and they were originally described as an octopus in 1903. The vampire squid has large fins at the top of its body that resemble ears. These fins serve as its primary means of propulsion, as it literally flies through the water by flapping these fins. As with other squid, it can also use jet propulsion to move by expelling water through a specialized siphon jet located just under its mantle. Blobfish. Perhaps it's unfair to judge a fish out of water, but the blobfish looks more like a ball of slime than a living creature. Blobfish live deep in the ocean, where pressures are exceedingly high. In fact, the blobfish's gelatinous appearance is actually a brilliant adaptation. Its gooey, pudding-like flesh allows it to stay buoyant at depths where gaseous bladders can't function. The aesthetically challenged blobfish was once voted the world's ugliest animal in an online poll conducted by the British-based Ugly Animal Preservation Society, which made the fish the group's official mascot. Chimera, also spelt chimera, also called ghost shark. Any of numerous cartilaginous fishes distantly related to sharks and rays in the class Chondorictides. Like sharks and rays, Timorous have cartilaginous skeletons, and the males possess external reproductive organs, claspers, derived from the pelvic fins and used to introduce sperm into the body of the female. Unlike sharks and rays, Timorous have a single external gill opening, covered by a flap, as in the bony fishes, on each side of the body. Goblin Shark. The goblin shark differs from other shark species by having a flattened snout that protrudes from the top of its head, resembling the blade of a sword. Its jaws are protrusive, and the inside contains 35 to 53 rows of upper and lower teeth. The length and width of its teeth are variable because those that are near the center of the jaws are longer than those on the back. It has a thin body with a skin covered with dermal tentacles. Its blood vessels are very close to the skin, which gives it a pink hue. Giant isopod. Looking like it just crawled out of a bad science fiction movie, the giant isopod is without a doubt one of the strangest creatures found in the deep sea. The enormous size of the giant isopod is a result of a phenomenon known as deep sea giantism. This is the tendency of deep-sea crustaceans and other animals to grow to a much larger size than similar species in shallower waters. The reason for these size differences remains a mystery, although some researchers believe it may be an adaptation to help the animal deal with the enormous pressures. Scotoplanes. The animals commonly known as sea pigs are in fact a type of sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers are echinoderms, a group of marine animals that include sea urchins and starfish. Sea pigs are found in all the world's oceans. In some areas, they comprise more than 95% of the total weight of animals on the deep sea floor. Despite their abundance, most people will never see a sea pig as they live in the coldest and deepest parts of the ocean. It's a shame because these little piggies are both cute and play an essential role in the ocean ecosystem. Anglerfish. The deep-sea anglerfish is one of the most bizarre-looking fish in the sea. It gets its name from the elongated dorsal spine that supports a light-producing organ known as a photophore. The angelfish has a round body that resembles a basketball, and indeed it looks like it could easily swallow one. It has a very large mouth with sharp, fanged-like teeth. Its grotesque appearance has earned it the nickname Common Black Devil. Despite its ferocious appearance, the angler is a small fish, reaching a maximum length of only about 5 inches. Axolotl. The axolotl salamander has the rare trait of retaining its larval features throughout its adult life. This condition, called neoteny, means it keeps its tadpole-like dorsal fin, which runs almost the length of its body, and its feathery external gills, which protrude from the back of its wide head. Found exclusively in the lake complex near Mexico City, axolotls differ from most other salamanders in that they live permanently in water. In extremely rare cases, an axolotl will progress to maturity and emerge from the water, but by and large they are content to stay on the bottom of Mexico's lakes and canals. Well, that's it for this video, although if you want more, make sure to subscribe to our channel for a fresh upload every single day. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, everyone.